over 60 and your time in bed ends before you want it to. You're not alone and it's not your fault. What if I told you there's a simple breathing trick, just a few minutes a day, that can help you take back control, and it's backed by real science? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works and why it's helping men your age last longer than they thought possible. James was 64 when he first admitted it out loud. Not to his friends, not even to his wife, but to himself. It was happening too fast. Every time, moments that were supposed to be intimate, warm, and connected were ending before he could truly enjoy them. He had started avoiding intimacy altogether. The embarrassment felt heavier than the desire, and the worst part, he thought this was just the price of getting older. But what James didn't know is that his body still had the ability to control this. He just needed to relearn how. One afternoon, after months of frustration, James typed a question into his search bar. Can men over 60 fix premature ejaculation without pills? That's when he found a story that sounded strangely like his own and a technique he had never heard of before. It wasn't a pill. It wasn't a strange device. It was a simple breathing trick that could be done in minutes. My name is Dr. Evelyn Hart. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 25 years of clinical experience, helping senior men restore their confidence, improve their control, and strengthen their relationships naturally. I specialize in men's hormonal health, prostate care, and natural blood flow support. And over the years, I've discovered that sometimes the simplest solutions rooted in science can have the most powerful results. This breathing technique is one of them, and it's been helping my patients, even in their late 60s and 70s, regain control they thought was lost forever. Understanding the why. Before I explain the breathing trick, you need to understand why it works. Premature ejaculation often isn't about weakness or lack of willpower. It's about nervous system control and blood flow regulation. Here's what happens when you're aroused. Your body's sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight mode, kicks into high gear. Your breathing becomes shallow, your heart rate spikes, your muscles tense up. That tension triggers a chain reaction, increasing pelvic muscle contractions, rushing blood flow, and pushing you toward climax faster than you want. The trick isn't to fight your body, it's to teach your body to slow down. And the easiest way to send a slowdown signal? Through your breath. The science connection. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine has shown that paced breathing can reduce premature ejaculation episodes significantly by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and recover mode. When you control your breath, you control your heart rate. When you control your heart rate, you control your arousal. And when you control your arousal, you can last longer, often much longer. The breathing trick. Here's the step-by-step method I've taught to my patients. Step 1. Position and awareness. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your stomach, just above your belly button. Step 2. The 4-7-8 rhythm. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your stomach rise. Hold that breath gently for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds, feeling your body relax. This is one cycle. Step 3. Repeat and practice. Do 5-7 cycles twice a day, once in the morning, once before bed. Why it works. The slow inhale increases oxygen delivery, improving natural blood flow support. The hold teaches your body to tolerate heightened arousal without tipping over. The long exhale signals your brain to relax, lowering pelvic muscle tension, applying it in real life. James practiced this breathing technique daily. At first, it felt strange, too simple to be effective. But within 2 weeks, he noticed something remarkable. Not only was he lasting longer, but he felt calmer in moments that used to feel like a sprint. He stopped worrying about when it would end and started focusing on the connection with his partner. The side benefits. Here's the part my patients love. This technique doesn't just help in the bedroom. Better sleep. The parasympathetic activation improves rest, lower blood pressure. Consistent deep breathing reduces cardiovascular strain, more energy. Improved oxygenation boosts stamina during the day. And yes, better circulation means better natural blood flow support everywhere it matters. Why this works after 60. Many men think their age is the problem, but in reality, the body's ability to regulate arousal doesn't disappear with age. It just needs a reminder. By retraining your nervous system through breath, You're teaching your body that control is possible again. James didn't take a pill. He didn't buy an expensive device. He simply changed the way he breathed, and it changed everything. Here's what I want you to remember. You are not powerless, and you are not broken. Premature ejaculation after 60 is not an inevitable sentence. It's a signal. A signal that your body is ready to relearn control if you give it the right tools. James thought his best days were behind him, but with a simple breathing practice, he discovered he could slow down, stay present, and feel confident again. You can do the same. The real key is consistency. Just a few minutes of this breathing technique every day can reprogram your nervous system, improve blood flow, and help you last as long as you choose without relying on pills or invasive procedures. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about taking back your presence, your connection, and your confidence no matter your age. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Try the 4-7-8 breathing method twice a day for the next 2 weeks. Notice the changes not just in your control, but in your energy, your sleep, and your overall sense of calm. And if this video gave you even a spark of hope, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with another man who deserves to feel like himself again. In my next video, I'll reveal a time-tested pelvic exercise when combined with this breathing trick can double your results and give you the kind of confidence you thought you'd lost for good. Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your health routine. Individual results may vary. The views expressed by Dr. Evelyn Hart are based on her clinical experience and current research, but should not replace personalized guidance from your physician